Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Mukesh Gandhi. In this video, I'm going to take one example of extending the page for lead using the application composer. So in this example, I'm adding one checkbox to identify the strategic lead in the detailed page layout and adding a Groovy script, that means a validation that check if the size of deal is greater than 1000 when a user save a lead with this checkbox selected. If the deal is smaller than 1000, then the user are prevented from saving this lead and receive one error message on the application. So let's see how to create the strategic deal checkbox and add the validation check. So this is the application and this is the home page of this application. So first we see the lead detail. Click on this navigator, in the sales part, click on this leads. And let's open one of the lead from the list. So I'm going to open it. So this is the detail page layout and the summary where you can see over here there is no any strategic deal checkbox. So I'm going to enable it. So it will be displayed over here in this summary page of detail page layout. So cancel out. On home page. So first we create one sandbox for this application composer. So in order to create one sandbox, click on this navigator. Scroll down in the configuration part. Click on this sandboxes. So let's create one sandbox. So we click on this create sandbox button. Let's enter the name of this sandbox. And select one tool for this sandbox. So I'm going to select application composer and click on this create and enter. So you can see over here, this is the sandbox gets created over here, and the active sandbox display above the vision. You can see over here. You can add more tools by clicking this add more tools button. And let's click on this navigator and go to the application composer in the configuration part. Scroll down in the configuration part, click on this application composer. So this is the application composer page. So first we expand this standard object, and we are going to create one custom field in the sales lead. So we have to expand the sales lead in this standard object. So this is the sales lead, expand it. And we are going to create one field. So we have to click on this fields. So let's create one field. So click on this create a custom field button. Click on that and select the type of this field. So I'm going to select this checkbox type and click on this OK button. It will take 2 seconds to complete it. Now complete it. Now we have to give the display name. So it will display in the detail page layout. So I'm going to give the name of that particular field. Strategic deal. And leave the rest of the field with their default value and click on Save and Close. Now see the field gets created. Now let's create some Groovy script in the server script part. So let's go on to the sales lead and click on this server script. We have defined Groovy script in this part. So we have to create one object in the validation rule. So click on this validation rule. In the validation rule, click on this action and click on this add, where we can create one object rule. So the rule name, we have defined some rule name. Without space, we have the name. Otherwise, it will give the error. Now enter the message, error message to display to user when the validation failed. So enter value more than 1,000. Now define the rule in this part. First we click on this maximize edit script, and now let's copy this Groovy script and paste it over here. So in this script, I define one function that is return value and give the if and else condition. If the strategic deal, that is the checkbox, we enable, we click on that, and the amount, deal amount is more than equal to 1,000, then it will give the true value. It return the true. And if the amount, deal amount is less than 1,000, then it return the false value. And if we cannot select, we can't select the value, we can't enable the checkbox, then it returns the null value and it also returns the true value. And finally, it returns the return value from this if and else condition. Now maximize it. Now save and close. Now see the server script sales lead gets created over here. Now we have to enable the field by page. In the sales lead, click on this pages. Now this is the sales lead page, and we ensure that we have on application page, and we have some option of landing page layout, creation page layout, and the detail page layout. So we are going to enable the field in the detail page layout. So first we select the standard layout, select it, and click on this duplicate detail page layout. Let's give the name of this layout. So now click on save and edit. So it will give you the rights to enable the custom field. It will take few seconds to complete this process. So this is the detailed page layout. Now we are going to enable it in the summary part. So we have to edit this summary part. So click on this edit button. So in this edit summary part, we will enable the custom field. You can extend the field in this summary part. So we have select from the available field and move it to the selected field. So scroll down and see, this is the strategic deal which we created earlier. So select this one and move it to into the selected field. Now save and close. Now click on done. Now let's check strategic deal checkbox appear or not in the detailed page layout. So click on this navigator button, click on cells, click on leads. Click on BISP lead. So in the detailed page layout, in the summary part, you can see over here the strategic deal checkbox gets appear over here. So according to Groovy Script, the deal size is greater than 1000 or equal to 1000, and we select this strategic deal and click on this save and close, then it gives true value because the value is greater than 1000. And if the if the deal size is less than 1000, then it will give the error. So let's see. Let's save and close. So there is no any error. Let's open it, ABC Corporation. So in this lead, the deal size is less than 1000, and we select this strategic deal and click on this save and close, then it will give you the error which is enter value more than 1000. So click on OK. And if you want to save it without any validation, then disable it and save and close. Then it will be saved. So this is how we can extend the lead page using the application composer, using the Groovy Script. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you so much.